Yo, 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 what is up? Marcus with Tarver Trades, and today we have another zinger. We have another winner. Up 7.87% on my account today, taking the juicy doji setup. Like I said, it never fails. I actually have this arrow in the wrong doji. Let me start that open. Boom, where it is. So we're looking at the 1005 red doji. What we did, I was actually on my way to an inspection at work, and I was just looking at the market, just seeing what was going on. And as I was looking, boom, this red doji formed out of nowhere, and it was hitting volume really quick. So as you can see, it went from 502,000 to 1.5 million really quick. And as soon as this thing formed, the volume went to about where this is within the first minute of it forming. So I said, okay, I gotta pull over and I gotta take this. This is the A plus setup. This is the A plus juicy setup. Now this is juicy. So you have the little wick up top, just indicating volume, but then you see this long wick at the bottom here. That indicates a lot of big volume. And as you can see, another big move came after that. So I didn't hold it very long because I'm not trying to be greedy with these trades. I just try to get my 10 to 11% and then get out. And that's exactly what I did. I was using my phone, so I had to really be in and out with this, but it worked out. As soon as it hovered over about 9 to 10%, I got out, even though I'm sure it went up 30-40%. But regardless, we got a winner, and we're up on the account, and we're almost to 300 on the account. So that's great. But let me show you, if I were on the computer, how this would have worked out. So I would have seen this doji forming. So in a little, I would have seen this forming, see this gap up, and then I would have clicked on the highest option contract I could have bought using all my available capital, and then I would look at the options chart. So I took the order. What time did I take it? I took it at 10:01:24. So if we look on the options chart around 10:01, that's what happened. So I got in. What was the price that I got in? I got in at 184. So let's put a line there. Drawing. Do a horizontal line at 184. So that's where we bought in at. Okay. So if you can see when I bought in, it actually went down a little bit. And this was a little scary because I saw it go down 5%, 10%, 20%. It was going down. It was going down a little bit. I don't think it got down as far as 20%. It probably got down like 8 or 9%, something like that. But it ended up going back up, as you can see, and we got out of the trade at $2.05. So let's do another line. We got out $2. $2.05. We'll just keep it there. Got out at $2.05. To get that 10%, that's 10% gain. So with the stop loss, let's actually see something. It would have been crazy if this would have actually been something that would have stopped me out, but kept going up. That really would have been something. So let's go 1.74 would be the stop loss there. Whoa, looks like that would have maybe stopped us out. Just crazy. Let me do a calculation real quick, actually. Escape. Let's do a calculation because I am bad at math. All right, calculation. I don't even know if you can see this calculator. So 1.84 minus point, oops, not 0.4, 0.1. Oh, it's supposed to be 1.84, but either way, 1.74. So that's crazy. So that actually would have stopped us out, unless boom, that would have got us out right there. That wick right there. But regardless, we won this trade. Um, yeah, we won this trade. So this is just something I have to be mindful of in the future. That stop loss, I may need to increase that a little bit, and then increase the take profit a little bit as well. Give us some buffer. But regardless, today was a winner. I'm not gonna discount that. So we're up and we're staying up. I'm wanting this to continue. So we have Thursday and Friday. We'll see what happens Thursday. It's not supposed to be one of my trading days. If I have time, I'll kind of glance at the charts and see what's going on. But Fridays are my hybrid at work home day. So I'll for sure be focusing in on Friday. But until then, we will see what's going on. So as you can see, slowly going up. I like that. I like that. Yeah, yesterday shouldn't have happened, guys. I admit that yesterday shouldn't have happened. I should have stopped at 12, followed my trading plan, but it worked out today. Juicy Heikin candles with higher volume than the previous 5-minute candle. Strong move down. I don't know what else to tell you. It even happened again before 12. Look at here. Juicy red doji, higher volume than the previous candle. Previous candle's volume here. We're looking at the 1120 Heikin candle. If we look at the 1115 Heikin candle, the volume was 453,000. It went up to 631,000. So that was a clear winner. And as you can see, move down. Boom. And let's see what the option contract was doing then. This was 1120. Let's see. Come on. So 1120. What the option contract do at 1120. All right. So it started forming around here. So as you can see, it was just slowly going up, slowly going up, slowly going up. And then it hit. It would have hit 10% easy. Didn't even go down a little bit there. So just like this was kind of a slower move down, the option contract was a little slower. But over here, when you see this big strong move like earlier, big strong move, you'll see that big strong move in the option contract as well. So this is something to be mindful of. Yep, just something to be mindful of. This is another great setup, and hopefully we'll get another one to end off the week. Thank you. See ya. Peace.